Okay guys, we're going to take a look at the TID 18 impact driver. So this is 1.7 kilos with the battery on our standard 18 volt battery range platform. So we'll show you through the features of the machine. So with the TID 18, you've got your forward and reverse through there, your switch, and also a belt hook that can be fitted either side of the machine. Just in this little trench here, we've got a magnet, so just to store our bits on board, and the standard 1/4 inch holder out through there to locate our bits. So standard 18 volt battery platform, and then on the front of the tool here, when we turn it on, we've got an LED, okay, which will give us our light just directed at the bit and also tell us what speed we're in. So we've got a couple of different modes on this. The first one is the T mode, which would use when we're doing self-tapping screws where we've got timber at the background. The first speed, which is on 1200 RPM, the second speed, which is 2000 RPM, and then the third speed, which is 3200 RPM. So there's good flexibility in different speeds depending on what application we're doing. So just for an application of putting in a screw, we can choose whichever speed we want, and then we can pop that. The benefit of this is that it's got very little recoil again, so making it easy to drive the screw with minimal recoil on the wrist. So here we'll just have a look at the T mode, and the T mode's a benefit when you've got, say, a thin metal going into a timber backing. So what the machine will do, it'll spin faster on startup and then control the impact into the screws.